Hey there! Welcome to Easy Peasy Art, all you fantastic artists. Get ready for an artistic adventure that'll send chills down your spine and smiles to your friends and family. Today we're making something special, a Halloween-themed postcard that'll have your loved ones brimming with joy when they receive it. Awesome! Let's start crafting that ghostly greeting. First things first, let's make our postcard. It's got that classic rectangle shape, just like a real postcard. Now get ready for the spooky fun. Our postcard is all about cute ghosts. The first one looks so angry that it's screaming. And its eyes are even closed in anger. The second one has big, wide eyes and an open mouth that'll send chills down your spine. The third ghost has long eyes, a mouth, and two arms sticking to its body. And don't forget the cute small ghost, to show they're all rising up and saying boo. Add some action lines at the bottom. But we're not done yet. Let's give it that postcard feel with a wavy line border around the inner side of the rectangle. Now here's the magic touch. Right, it's Halloween inside. And sprinkle some sparkles to light up the stage. And for the little details that set the scene, draw some tiny clouds floating around. Time to bring this eerie scene to life with colors. The clouds are a soft, light blue. Those stars and sparkles? Yep, they're all bright yellow too. And the title has a sparkling, bright yellow background to really stand out. Now, for the background, color it dark blue to make it look like a spooky Halloween night. And look, all the ghosts are coming out to bring Halloween tidings. And there you have it. Our spooky postcard is ready. It's looking cute, it's groovy, and it's ready to send some Halloween magic to your friends and relatives. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. And hey, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button to join our creative family and never miss out on the fun. Thanks for being part of Easy Peasy Art, and we'll see you in our next enchanting art journey.